Okay, good morning or afternoon to Miss Baldwin's classes. I just wanted to make a quick video in case I have to go make a quick getaway and get to my son's school. So this is Mrs. Cavalier. I'm going to be doing my lesson for you via a screencast. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to log on to Moodle, and then when you get to this Moodle page, you're going to want to then search courses. You're going to want to type in HS space library, and then you're going to hit go. You will get one result. So this is the Mrs. Cavalier Northport HS library page. You're going to want to give that a click, and then you will enroll in the course. There is no enrollment key. And now you should be on a page that has this little shushing librarian, and it says, "Welcome to the Northport High School Library Media Center, Mrs. Cavalier, Teacher Librarian." So now you know you're in the right place. What you're going to want to do is scroll down. So you'll notice here, Topic 1 is all of the library databases in the library. If you ever need, this is where they are. And if you're at home and you need passwords, they're right here. So it says, you'll see all of the usernames and passwords are here. So today what you're going to be doing is you're going to be exploring a live binder that I put together for you. So you're going to come down to topic 6, which says Romeo and Juliet, topical issues. And then you're going to want to click right here where it says live binder link. And a live binder is going to open. Now, a live binder is quite literally like a binder, but it's online. It's where I've collected some articles in each one of the categories that you've been asked to choose as your research topic. So you'll see it says arranged marriages, underage marriages, teen suicide, and teen privacy. So let's go back to arranged marriages. I've actually picked a lot of these articles from the library databases that we have here at the high school. Databases are different than the web because they are a collection of articles. So when you search a database, you're only searching a collection. They've been checked for accuracy, the authors or authorities on the subject, and you are going to be using databases. So let's say you read this article about the trauma of arranged marriage, and you want, and that's how and this is a good article. You can tell it's from a database because it says Gale Academic One File, which is the name of a database that we have here at the high school. And, this is where you will find. So today you're just going to be exploring the live binder so that you can choose which topic you think you want to use. So I'm going to open up another tab. The other thing you're going to be doing is logging into EasyBib Pro. So you're going to go to www.easybib.com, and you're going to get to this page. Now notice it says Pro for institutions. You know that you're in the right place. Now if you've already logged in to EasyBib, maybe last year, you would just click Login. If you've never used EasyBib Pro, you're going to want to click where it says Sign Up. And you're going to get to this page. Now, Ms. Baldwin has informed me that you all have a Gmail account. And so what you're going to do is right over here on this red button, you're going to click where it says Sign In with Google. And then when you click there, it's going to have you sign in with your login information. And then you are also going to allow EasyBib to have access to your Google account. It's okay. It's not going to, eat your brains or anything. So you click Sign In with Google. And see, I have 2 accounts, so I'm going to choose this one. And now I'm logged in, and you'll see that it says, Hi, Mrs., so I know that I'm logged in. Now, yours won't have all of these projects if it's the first time you logged in, so yours will just have this button that says New Project. So I'm going to click where it says New Project, and I'm going to call it Romeo and Juliet Paper. I'm going to make sure it's in the default style of MLA, and I'm going to click Create. Oh, and there it is. So what I want to do now is I want to click into the bibliography. Now there's a reason why you want to make sure that you are in your paper's bibliography. So it says Romeo and Juliet Paper Bibliography, because now when you're doing your research and you want to import any of your citations, it will go directly into your new project and it will save it there. So for instance, I've brought us back to this article from the Live Binder. And let's say you read it and it's going to be something you're going to use in your paper. Over here where it says Tools, you're going to click where it says Citation Tools. And you'll get this little box. And notice over here it says Export, and there's an EasyBib button. So if you just click EasyBib, and there it is. Ta-da! Now keeping in mind that MLA7 doesn't need this URL, so if you go into Edit, if you go down, Display URL, just leave it on No, and click Update Citation. Ta-da! Beautiful. Okay, so that is what you're going to be doing for today. Now, Ms. Baldwin, you could probably pause this if you want, but I'm going to move on to their homework assignment. Okay, so I'm going to X out. All right, so let's go back to here. So tonight, if right underneath your Romeo and Juliet topical issues, it will say Library Assignments. So if you're period 4, you'd click here. If you're period 7, you'd click here. So let's say I click here. Now I'm already logged in. So it would have asked you, hold on, I'll show you. I'm going to log out. All right, so let's do this again. So let's say I'm period 4. Click here. It would say log in as a teacher or log in as a student. You'll click student. You're again going to log in with your Google account. So now I'm going to choose that other account I have on here. And now it says Baldwin period 4 with Mrs. Cavalier, join now. You're going to click here. Or if this is 7th period, click period 7. And now you'll see that there's an assignment here that you're going to watch. Now, this is for you to have done before tomorrow. So if you don't have a computer at home, remember that the library is always open, especially 0 period. We're here at 7:10. If you need a computer, we have headphones, or you can use your earbuds and you can watch this video. It will record your progress, so please keep that in mind. And this will be something that it's all about taking notes in EasyBib Pro, which will be very helpful for you as you work on your Romeo and Juliet paper. Okay, so that's all I'm going to show you today. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.